Hello fellow DIYers and focus owners. Today we have a pretty rare mod here, an ultrasonic alarm system. This one is actually for the Gia models, because the ST170 has a different one with the ultrasonic sensors in the dome light. Maybe you saw this on Instagram. What? You're not following me on Instagram? Go over there and you can find the follow button pretty easily. You can see all kind of images, stories and updates on the projects that I'm working on. And on the other hand, I'd like to thank my friend Akos for helping me out with this project and my other friend whose garage I'm actually using. So let's get back to the parts. So the two main parts that we need are the ultrasonic sensors. These come onto the B pillars. Here they are. You can also find these in Jaguars and I think multiple Fords, and they just have the same codes. And we will need the cover for them. This is the normal B pillar cover. It only has this cutout for these plastic parts that are clipped in. These are actually pretty rare to find. And of course we need a wiring harness. This goes into a trunk. This is where it can, or this is what it connects in the trunk with. I'm gonna show you, and these are the connectors for the sensors. And of course we need a horn. This horn is a Denso horn, and I think you can find it as an alarm horn for multiple Fords and like a normal horn for the Fiesta. I'm pretty sure you can find it on the Fiesta as a normal horn. So yeah, let's get to disassembling some stuff in the trunk and fishing the cables through. Okay, so let's begin in the trunk. We need to remove this. This screw here, there's a screw here, there's another one here, and that's about it. Okay, and the next one would be one of these clips that is right under there. It's one of those annoying ones. So it's one of these ones. Okay, and you can remove this one. And then this one. Another one of the plastics that you need to remove is this one. So you can remove this whole carpet. Oh, and there's also another screw here, or sorry, one of these clips. Okay, and I also removed this, now the carpet. And this reveals this type of connector, which is the one that we're looking for. Okay, I also want to remove this one carefully. Because this is where the wire is gonna go up, right next to these ones. It needs to go towards the B pillar that way. So if you can see, right around here, I removed this plastic and the one from the B pillar. And you can do the same on the other side. Okay, so here we have these two holes, which I'm presuming the sensors will clip into, and the wires, I will try to push them through underneath the roof lining and towards the back, and they need to also go this way to the other B pillar. And I'm also looking at this B pillar cover. which I need to take the seatbelt out of, and I will probably need to unscrew the bottom screw for the seatbelt so I can feed it through. I managed to pull the wires through. It was a little bit of pain in the ass because I have the sunroof, so there's that. Here's this, and at least for me, I found it a lot easier if I remove the oh-shit handles, because the wire needs to go kind of under the rails for the sunroof, and it has one of these clips on each side, and that's basically it. Here's the sensors that comes to this side. I was trying to figure it out, how you can know which goes where, and this one actually has a lot more pins, if you can see, and also the connector is idiot proof, so you cannot fuck it up. So let me try it with so they should come on something like this. This needs to sit, be clicked in, just like that, and the wire needs to go through it. Oh, come on. Basically like that. So it pulls the wire that way so you can clip it in here. In the meantime, I removed the seat belt holding screw. It's a T50 torx. I'm not gonna show that because it's pretty obvious. And just pull this through. I changed this out and I'm gonna be right back. I've connected it here, just arranged the wires a little bit. So this is the one from the alarm system, and this was hidden here. This is for the horn, and the horn will originally come inside here. I'm gonna go to the other side so I can show it a little bit better. So I know how well you can see, but here there are these holes, and I think this wire needs to come right into here from underneath, and it will go like, oh shit. So it will come like here and onto the horn, and the horn gets screwed with one screw from underneath. So I mounted the horn right in there, you can see that, and everything should be wired up. So I'm gonna assemble everything, and then let's see if we can test it. So here we go, here's the end result. There's one of the sensors, here should be the other one, horn in the trunk, and from what I know, these should work with a double locking system, and there's a chance that they don't work without it. That's the main problem. The simple alarm system should work something like, if you open the doors manually after you locked it with the remote, then it should sound the alarm. I will write it on screen if I'm mistaken. While editing, I realized it would be nice to present some actual footage of how the alarm system works. So I've asked a friend of mine, and here it is while you open the door just with the key, and next is with the ultrasonic sensor. As you can see, he's waving his hand and then the alarm comes on. This is how it's supposed to work. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope that you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and all those goodies, and see you in the next video.